Hybridization of orbitals. Hybridization is a phenomenon of intermixing of atomic orbitals of almost equal energy which are present in outermost shell to form new orbitals with equal properties like energy and shape. Basically, there are three types of hybridizations: sp, an example for that beryllium chloride, sp2, boron trifluoride, sp3, ammonia. Let us try to learn the formation of these three molecules. Beryllium chloride first. In beryllium chloride, beryllium is the central atom. Its atomic number is 4. The electronic configuration of beryllium at ground state is 1s2, 2s2. At excited state, one electron from 2s enters to 2p. So, at excited state, its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. At this stage, 2s and 2px orbitals intermix to give two equal sp hybrid orbitals. The electronic configuration of chlorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. It means it need one electron. The shape of BeCl2 is linear and the bond angle is 180 degrees. Here is the structure of beryllium chloride. If you observe carefully, we can find two sigma bonds. One sigma bond is between p orbital of one chlorine atom and sp hybrid orbital of the beryllium, and here is the another sigma bond between sp hybrid orbital of beryllium atom and p orbital of chlorine atom. So this structure is called linear structure and the bond angle is 180 degrees. Formation of BF3. The central atom in boron trifluoride is boron. Its electronic configuration at ground state is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. At excited state, one electron from 2s enters to 2py. So it changes like 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1. Here, one 2s orbital and two 2p orbitals intermix to give three equivalent sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now, three sp2 hybrid orbitals of boron overlap with three 2pz orbitals of fluorine atom to give three bonds. The shape of boron trifluoride is trigonal planar and the bond angle is 120 degrees. This is the structure of boron trifluoride. So in this structure, here we can observe three sigma bonds between one boron atom and three fluorine atoms. See the first sigma bond. This is between the p orbital of the fluorine atom and sp2 hybrid orbital of the boron atom. Same like that, these two also. So we can observe three bonds here, and this is the structure of boron trifluoride. This shape is called trigonal planar, and here the bond angle is 120 degrees. In ammonia, nitrogen is the central atom and its atomic number is 7. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Here, one 2s orbital and three 2p orbitals intermix to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Actually, the bond angle in ammonia should be 1 at 9 degrees 28 minutes, but because of repulsion force between a lone pair of electrons and bonded pairs, it reduces to 107 degrees 48 minutes. This is the structure of ammonia molecule, that is NH3. So here, as per the electronic configuration of nitrogen, it has a lone pair of electrons and also three lone electrons. These three lone electrons bonded with the three hydrogen atoms to form three sigma bonds, and the lone pair of electrons is present at nitrogen. So now, as per theory, the bond angle in ammonia should be 109 degrees 28 minutes, but The actual bond angle is 107 degrees 48 minutes. Why it has decreased? Because the repulsion force between this lone pair of electrons and these bonded pairs. So because of this repulsion force, the bond angle has been reduced to 107 degrees 48 minutes, and this shape is called as pyramidal.